Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn on questions highlights for people you follow on your Quora app. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your Quora app. All you have to do, just go up here, you click here on this picture here or up, then it's going to show for you window like this, and you just go down here, you click here on settings here on down, then it's going to take you to next window here, just waiting to show for you like this. You click here on email and notifications, then you come to this window here, you click here on push notifications, and it's going to take you here in this window. You click here on your network, then it's going to take us to this window here. You come here to questions highlights, you click here on this sign, and like you see this color show for us, that's main questions highlights, it's on now. I wish know you I get it. That's all. Thank you for your watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.